Hi, and welcome to Miss Kate Cuddable's 1 Minute Make. Today we are putting together a fall owl. He goes along with the bear, the fox, squirrel, and raccoon. This will be a cute addition to that set. So this owl is standing on a branch with some fall leaves. He has fewer layers than the other ones, so it's still super easy to put together. You can see on the left-hand side of the screen the print and cut. That's what he will look like when he's all done. Now this owl is a 50-cent shape. You can find him on MissKateCuttables.com in the 50-cent store. When they are released, they are 35 cents. So go check him out before he goes back up to full price. Here we're going to add him to the branch. Add the fall leaves. Make sure you subscribe to Miss Kate Cuttables YouTube channel. Comment down below, hit the like button, and we'll see you on the next 1 Minute Make.